कई बच्चे समझते हैं रेशियो एनालिसिस इतना वास्ट चैप्टर है, इतने सारे रेशियोज है, कौन पढ़ेगा इसको, और एग्जाम में आता है सिर्फ 3 या 4 मार्क्स के लिए। बट लेट मी टेल यू, ये चैप्टर जितना इंपॉर्टेंट है उतना ही ईजी चैप्टर है। What you have to do? You have to only learn the ratios, and most of the ratios are self-explanatory. Secondly, the importance of this chapter is those students who have taken this ratio analysis as a part of your project, your examiner definitely will ask you questions on ratio analysis. So today let's check part 12, ratio analysis 1 marker question and solution of CBSE sample paper 25 analysis. With this basic formula we can do cost plus price gives you selling price. Cost is CORFO plus gross profit equals to selling price is nothing but RFO. तो यहाँ पर दिया है gross profit is 25% of cost. तो let the cost be 100, gross profit is 25, selling price that is RFO will be 125. तो हमको वैल्यू है मिला है RFO का which is already given to us 5 lakhs. With the help of this, cross multiply 5 lakh into 100 divided by 125, you get CORFO, which is 4 lakhs. ITR का फॉर्मूला है ITR equal to CORFO upon average inventory. ITR दिया हुआ है which is 5 times. CORFO हमने ढूंढा 4 lakhs. Average inventory we have to find out. So average inventory, if we replace all this, average inventory is equals to 4 lakh divided by 5, we get 80,000. अभी एवरेज इन्वेंट्री मिला है, इसका फॉर्मूला है ओपनिंग इन्वेंट्री प्लस क्लोजिंग इन्वेंट्री डिवाइड बाय 2. 80,000 वी फाउंड आउट, ओपनिंग इन्वेंट्री वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट प्लस 60,000 क्लोजिंग इन्वेंट्री विच इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू अस डिवाइड बाय 2. प्लेस ऑल द थिंग्स, सिंप्लीफाई दिस. 80,000 into 2, 1,60,000 minus 60,000, so the opening inventory that you get is 1 lakh. So answer is C. Next question is assertion and reason. Assertion दिया है gross profit ratio is always higher than the net profit ratio, which is not correct. If your other income is more, then your net profit will be more than the gross profit. Thus, the net profit ratio will also be more than the gross profit ratio. So, assertion is wrong. Reason दिया है to calculate net profit, indirect expenses are subtracted from gross profit and indirect income are added to the gross profit, which is very correct. So, your assertion is wrong and reason is correct. Option is D.